My name is Dan Delker, Internet Business Manager for Shaheen Chevrolet, and I wanted to personally thank you for the purchase of your vehicle from us and welcome you to the Shaheen family. Myself and the entire Shaheen team appreciate the opportunity to serve you, your family, and your friends. I would like to remind you of a few added benefits that you should take advantage of. The first oil change, it's on us. The Shaheen Rewards Program is a great way to earn points and save money. The Shaheen Collision Deductible Reimbursement Program within the first year will reimburse you for your deductible up to $500 when the body work is completed at the Shaheen Collision Center. Again, thank you for the opportunity to serve you and your family and friends. And if you had a great experience, please let us know by leaving a positive review online. You can access 4 different sites by clicking on the Leave Your Reviews tab on our website at www.shaheenchevrolet.com. Finally, please write down my contact information and download the Shaheen app for your smartphone from the App Store or scan the QR code posted on the website and also at the end of this video. Thank you.